Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming needle type and thread. This matters for fit and tension. Once confirmed, trim the thread to a clean 45-degree tip. This prevents fraying and eases entry. Now position the needle so the eye faces you and bring the threading tool into line. Insert the thin wire loop of the tool through the eye, making sure the loop fully clears the metal. You want a steady, small motion. Avoid twisting. This sets you up for a smooth pull-through moment. Once the loop is through, guide the thread tip into the wire loop and leave about 1/2 inch of tail to grip. Make sure you hold both the thread and the tool steady. Sudden lateral movement bends the wire or misses the eye. Slowly retract the tool in the same line it entered. As the wire exits the eye, it draws the thread cleanly through. If the thread catches, pause, realign, and repeat. Patience here prevents bent wires or frayed thread ends. After the thread clears, pull about 3 to 4 inches through the needle and test tension to neutral so the thread seats naturally. If the thread snags, stop and inspect the tool wire. Bend it straight or swap the threader, because a crooked loop fails more than the technique does. If you keep missing, change to a new needle or recut the thread tip to a fresh 45-degree angle. These fixes solve most issues fast, so you can resume stitching without wasted time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.